Yo, it's your boy Holla, man. Fucking with I Got Bars Battle League. Y'all know what it is. Yeah, what's going on?
Yo, Hitman Holla. I want to know, you said that you were going to be on Wild 'N Out. Can you write 4 bars? Acapella.
That's what I do. I get a living to write 4 bars. So you know I can write it for MTV. But that's looking good, man. I know by next week. Hopefully I got the job or whatever, but
I want to know when you're ever going to go King of the Dutcher or any of the other leagues, man.
2014, I'm there, everywhere.
Everywhere?
My first stop is UW. First stop UW. King of Dot next. I'll be in Gracie Chicago League in March. I'm everywhere. Starting 2014.
Now you're battling O-Red, and this is going to be your first time in Jersey. Is O-Red going to get that arse treatment round 2?
Gotta get it. Arse treatment. It's only right. I like him. I like him, yeah. You know he gotta get it.
I don't know if you guys know this, but I tweeted Hitman Holla. I was like, you bodied arse. I'm from Jersey, and he retweeted it.
I tried to retweet that. He wasn't doing nothing but keeping it real. I gotta retweet it and keep it real. Get you, fight you. You know what I'm saying? But nah, that's how it goes down.
Yo, I don't think most people know, but you have some amazing music. You got any more music coming out?
2014 Ball Game 2.0 gonna drop, man. I've been pushing it back because I've been kind of busy with the Wild 'N Out, with the battles. But I'm gonna make sure I drop that 2014. Be looking out for that Ball Game 2.0. It's your boy, Mr. Ball Game. Hitman Holla. I Got Bars TV. Battle League. Ball Game.